Hi there. I'm going to show you how to add and manage your website's sitemaps so you can control which pages get processed by our content analysis tools. Think of a sitemap as your website's table of contents. It lists all the pages on your site, helping search engines understand your site structure. Let's start by adding your first sitemap. Go to the Content menu, then select Content Settings and click Manage Sitemaps. First, choose which project you want to add sitemaps to from the drop-down menu. Each project can have multiple sitemaps, which is useful if you manage several websites. Now type your website address in the URL field. You can use either example.com or https://example.com format. Click Discover Sitemaps. The tool searches your website for sitemaps automatically. This takes a few seconds. Once discovery finishes, you'll see a list showing what was found. For each sitemap, you can see the sitemap URL and when it was last modified. Review the discovered sitemaps and tick the boxes next to the ones you want to add. You can select multiple sitemaps at once or use Select All if you want everything. Click Add Selected Sitemaps. The system processes each sitemap and adds all its URLs to your project. You'll see a confirmation message showing how many sitemaps and URLs were added. Now let's look at how to manage them. Your sitemaps appear in a table with 3 important drop-down controls for each one. The status control lets you enable or disable the sitemap. The mode control determines processing frequency. The structure view control determines how your content gets organized. Let me help you choose the right settings for your needs. Auto mode automatically processes new URLs several times a day. It's a set it and forget it approach that keeps everything current automatically. Manual mode gives you complete control over when URLs get processed. Use this when you want precise control over which pages get analyzed. For structure view, sitemap structure uses your existing folder structure exactly as you've already organized it, like /blog and /products. AI clustered ignores your current structure and groups URLs by content themes that our AI detects. Click the arrow next to any sitemap to see its individual web pages. You'll see the arrow change to show the sitemap is expanded. Once expanded, you'll see path groups. These are organized folders that group your URLs by their website structure, like /blog, /products, or /services. Path groups make it easy to manage entire categories of content at once. Each path group shows you how many pages are active versus the total number of pages in that folder. You can click the toggle next to any path group to instantly activate or deactivate all pages in that category. The status filters let you view all pages, only active pages, or only inactive pages. The category filter lets you focus on specific folders of your site. Use the search box to find specific URLs by typing keywords. In manual mode, you'll also see tick boxes to select individual URLs and bulk processing options for fine-grained control. Remember that disabling pages means they won't be processed by other features in the system. Only active pages get included. You can manually refresh any sitemap using the refresh button. This is useful when you've added significant new content and want immediate processing rather than waiting for the automatic cycle. Use the delete button with caution. It permanently removes the sitemap and all its URLs from your project, and this action cannot be undone. It does not affect other platform features. And that's how you set up and manage sitemaps effectively. Start with discovery, choose the right modes for your workflow, and let automation handle the ongoing maintenance while you focus on creating great content.